And welcome to the second video of fixing my van's leaky window. Anyways, I know it might be a little boring to some of you guys, but you know what? It's something that's got to be done because it could create a lot of moisture and condensation in this thing. So it begs the question, will my repair job fix the leak, or will it continue leaking? So yeah, very boring video, but that's okay. Hey, you can still like my video, I hope, or you can dislike it. Yeah, disliking is good too. Then I get to know your opinions, future-wise, what to do. Anyways, my hair's not too bad, looking cute. Not really, but anyways, okay, cheers. Continue on with the video. Okay, I've got it cleaned up as best as I can. At this point, it's fine. Anyways, we're gonna put the caulk around it, and I got this cleaned up really good actually. So I think I'm gonna go let it dry a little longer, and I'll run into the store while it's drying and buy some silicone sealant of some sort and go from there. Yeah. Okay, it's a good thing I'm at Home Depot because I ran out of caulk. Sorry, no pun intended. But yeah, I need one more strip. These things are cheap. It was like $4.78 for this. And why the hell am I losing my voice? Croakiness. Well, another great thing about living in a van, living in your house is, if you're working in the middle of the parking lot, yeah, just make lunch and eat. Or coffee, whichever works. Okay, so I got it prepared, caulked, but what I think I'm gonna do is I bought a $4 bottle of this quick seal caulking, and I think I'm gonna just rub it. I'm just gonna peel it back a bit and run a strip in there. I don't know if it's a good idea or not, but I want to double ensure this baby isn't gonna leak. So that's the plan. I might even run a bead on the inside just to extra seal. So what the hell, okay, that is the last step. We should have it sealed up. As you can see, caulking and crap everywhere. But what I'll do is tighten it up, and then when I take a razor, that should come out. Should be able to pull all that out, and we'll see how that works and if I have to reseal it after or not. So this is what I'm gonna do here, is just run an extra bead of bathroom mold resistant silicone along this, and then when I tighten it, it will give an extra seal. And I got caulk everywhere. Okay, there we go. Da 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 da. We are completed and done. I screwed it. So what I did was I screwed them all loosely that way. I tightened them that way, and then I went once more time just to re-snug them that way. And what I'm gonna do is let it sit for a day-ish and settle, and then I will recut it, cut this off, and then I'll retighten the screws a little bit more, just so that because they're bound to be loosened up, right? And I want to tighten it in really good. Yeah, the caulk, all the caulk. Oh wow, that's very soft, very good. So hopefully it'll seal. What I might do after a week of settling, or 2 weeks or something, is to run silicone around the edges maybe. But yeah, I'll just take a knife and be done with it. So I'm done. I can go eat. I'm hungry. I'm starved. And now we just need a bit of rain to see if it's gonna leak or not. Oh my god, scary. No. The other thing I gotta do is I gotta redo this one. I gotta refoam and seal this doorway. That will be, I don't know if I'm gonna get time tomorrow or not. Tomorrow's Friday, so what the hell is that? Did you see that? It's like a bike. Oh wow, it is. That's freaking cool. It's an orange bike with yeah, neat. Okay, boys and girls, we are done work and getting ready for bed. I finished uploading Van City Diaries number 448 and downloaded Minnesota Viking game, the last one. And I'm tired as freaking hell. It rained all night, pretty freaking heavy. And gave me a chance to see how the window seal would work, and epic fail. It's leaking worse now than it did before. Before it was just a dribble. Now it's a freaking almost a downpour. So, I think it's this section it was leaking. It's probably that seal. I'm going to retighten it anyway. And retighten it, and I'll probably put some more silicone sealant around the edges, and we'll see how that works. What I'm preferring to do is get it when a warm day, sunny day, put that in the sun so it warms up, and I can tighten it when it warms, and then when it gets cold it should shrink. So that is the story. What else? Surprised by, look at this. Oh, hold on before I do this. Fuck. I got the heating going. I got the heater going. It was only +2 when I got off work this morning, which is 36 degrees Fahrenheit. So yeah, warm it up a little in here, make it comfortable, so I can go to sleep. I'm freaking tired. The other thing is, Korean girl. Haven't seen her for 2 weeks. But surprisingly, she invited me to her place. She says, why don't you come over to my place and watch a movie? So, I'm in shock. She's never done that before. Never. It's 6 months. 6 months of dating her. 6 months and 2 weeks. So, wow. You never know. Anything can happen, right? Anyways, I'm going to end this. I've yapped too long. And I'm tired. And I got to get sleep. And I'll shut my heater down. Man, this thing works awesome. I can't believe it. So, anyways, cheers. Till next video clip.